Which of the following is the correct format of email address? Answer B. Name@website.info. MIME stand for answer A. Multipurpose Internet Mail Extensions. There are 4 scenarios in answer D. Email. In email, we need two VAS and two pairs of MTAS when sender is connected to mail server via answer B. LAN and WAN. Mail access starts with client when user needs to download email from the answer A. Mailbox. When sender and receiver of an email area on same system, we need only two. Answer D. User agents. Post Office Protocol version 3 POP3 has two modes, delete mode and answer B. Keep mode. FTP uses services of answer A. TCP. NVT stand for answer C. Network Virtual Terminal. Post Office Protocol version 3 POP3 is simple and limited in answer D. Functionality. At beginning of internet era, messages sent by electronic mail were short and consisted of answer C. Text only. When the mail server send mail to other mail servers, it become dash answer B. SMTP client. If you have to send multimedia data over SMTP, it has to be encoded into answer C. ASCII. Expansion of SMTP is answer A. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. In SMTP, the command to write receiver's mail address is written with this command answer B. RCPT2. The underlying transport layer protocol used by SMTP is answer A. TCP. Choose the statement which is wrong in case of SMTP. Answer B. It is a pull protocol. Internet mail places each object in answer B. One message. Typically, the TCP port used by SMTP is answer A. 25. A session may include answer A. 0 or more SMTP transactions. Example of user agents for email. Answer A. Microsoft Outlook. When the sender and the receiver of an email are on different system, we need only dash answer D. 2 UAS and 2 pairs of MTAS. User agent does not support this. Answer D. All of the mentioned. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol SMTP utilize dash as a transport layer protocol for electronic mail transfer. Answer A. TCP. SMTP connections secured by SSL are known as answer A. SMTPS. SMTP uses the TCP port. Answer D. 25. Which one of the following protocol is used to receive mail messages? Answer D. All of the mentioned. An email client needs to know the dash of its initial SMTP server. Answer A. IP address. A SMTP session may include. Answer D. All of the mentioned. SMTP defines. Answer A. Message transport.